wouldn't look on it when they got bit by the snake. The blind man he healed, the miracles he did. She always sits and waits right here for me, and I have not seen her. The solar angels, don't they look pretty? And hello Muppo fans, today is such a pretty day. I'm going to go volunteer at it's called a traveling tabernacle. I'm going to go do my live there and just be there till like 3 o'clock today. Be there like 4 hours. So let's see what today brings. Now there's the traveling tabernacle. I'm going to go in and see what my volunteer duties are, and they're trimming trees today. And it is raining a little bit. We'll see if it's going to be a lot of bit or a little bit. Please continue tour inside. Hey, I've got my assignment and I'm doing the brazen snake. Hey fam, I'm here at volunteering for the Tabernacle. So I am the fiery serpent. I got to show you guys the fiery serpent. I tell about that when people wouldn't look on it when they got bit by the snake, by the poisonous snakes, and there's a tabernacle down there. I'll go tour it later. Right now I stay at my position. Now they're cutting all these branches down. Now they're chopping them up. So it's hard to hear. But I do have a mic. There's the tent. I mean the curtains. Entrance. Where they'd sacrifice the animals. Very cool. The temple was important in Christ's life. How can temples connect you with God and provide direction for your life? Jesus taught at the temple. It's when Jesus, after he's resurrected, he came to America. It says, other sheep I have that are not of this fold. The resurrected Jesus visits the first temple of the restoration of Kirtland, Ohio. Joseph Smith. Kirtland, Ohio temple. Look how many are in America. Oh, there's one over here, a couple more. Every time it lights up. We're in 1966 now. There's one over there. A ton in America. Oh, one over in New York, down here. Oh, there's some over here. Oh, look, let me back up so you can see them all popping up. We're in 1990. – 2023. Look at them all over the place. Amazing. What's this carpet made out of? It's beautiful. Oh, pretty. Yeah, don't. Yeah, please stay off the white carpet. Hey, I'm going to stop by Papa O's grave and put this 4th of July stuff on there. Oh, everything's gone from one. Oh, the Pepsi cans are still there. The balloon's gone. I'm going to decorate with this stuff here. put that there and take these. There's water in there from the rain, I guess, sprinklers. Okay, there it is. Set up for the 4th of July. Got it all certified. Love you, babe. Look what a pretty day it is. Just a gentle breeze blowing. Pretty blue skies. Looks really nice. So pretty. It was raining earlier today when I was doing the Tabernacle. It looks good. And cleaned up. There's a couple of Dr. Pepper cans, and there's the windmill going. Wow. Looks good. There's Papa O's and his parents are just right there, right by that flower. One there, just right there. He's really close. And then look at this pretty sunset. Still don't like coming to the grave, but I like to decorate. And look how pretty it is here. So nice. The weather is just beautiful. Another can exploded. I've turned it down. How come everything's exploding? This is the 3rd can to explode. My goodness. Hey, chicks. I couldn't find the eggs. I finally found them. There they are. They usually lay 3 a day, 1 each. I couldn't find them. Found the eggs, chicks. And as you can see, there is 1 egg floating, so that's a bad egg. I don't know how long they've been there. The others are fine. They can go 90 days without refrigeration, and that floaty's got a goatee. And my neighbor just brought me over this. She says it's a solar angel. Oh, wow. So it just lights up at night. Wow, that's beautiful. It's so nice. Thank you. Hey, I will hang it there. And then we'll get the sunlight and then light up at night. That's way cool. And I just got some peas out of the garden. And the pumpkins are taking over fast. Hurry up and grow, peas. Sunflowers look a little disheveled. Oh dear. And I haven't seen Grandma Kitty around the last couple of days. I've been gone for the 4th of July, but I came home at night. Haven't seen her. Had her about 8 years. She always sits and waits right here for me, and I have not seen her. Hope she's all right. There you are. I haven't seen you for 2 days. Well, I've been gone, but she's usually always sitting out here when I come outside. I'm glad you're all right. I thought she was dead somewhere, or somebody took her or killed her or something. Kitty, where have you been? Oh, ooh, and the sun's getting ready to set, and that purdy. Oh, and just a gentle breeze. Love, love, love it. So nice. Hey, I want to show the solar angels. Don't they look pretty? I love it. Well, that was a fun day. Oh my goodness. Get to bed, go to Lagoon tomorrow again, and then go to Sister's Day. Got the Scottish Festival. Anyway, life isn't about, which one is it? Oh, the greatest thing in this world is not so much where you are, but in what direction you are going. Think about that one. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Remember, look for that rose. And let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you, and good night. Am I dreaming, or am I really here? Will everything just simply disappear? Hold me close and tell me that it's real. I can't explain the feelings that I feel. I waited a long time for you to be mine. I feel
feel just like I'm in a nursery rhyme. I will always love you, I'll always take care of you, I'll always do the very best I can. I'm not lonely any longer, I feel our love grow stronger. Together we will make it hand in hand. I waited and I waited for your love. I must have got my strength from up above. I didn't think that dreams really came true. I wished upon a star and I got you. I've waited a long time for you to be mine. I feel just like I'm in a nursery rhyme. I will always love you, I'll always take care of you, I'll always do the very best I can. We're not lonely any longer, I feel our love grow stronger. Together we will make it hand in hand. Am I dreaming or am I really here? I walk alone on a long and dusty road, thinking when we walked everywhere, the warm soft breeze blew through your hair, and all the birds were singing there. Now I walk alone on a long dusty road. Now spring is here, there are flowers everywhere. Forget-me-nots whirl softly through the air. The beautiful hills and the old shady tree reminded me of you and all you gave to me. But now you've gone to a distant land. The last time that I held your hand was on the dusty road. When we said goodbye, I'll see you again, so I won't cry. We ran green meadows, chased the butterfly, left the kids away, climbed trees to find blue skies. I'm almost home, the road is coming to an end, but I'll walk it again. Beauty and love, I find, leave all my cares behind. Now I walk alone on the long dusty road. I walk alone. I walk
What is it good, huh? Do you like Lucky Girl? How boring.
I don't
Those
remember
songs
how
I
to-
used to write.
Going